What is up, Speedy B gang? Back with another vlog. We haven't been getting any shots in because we've been waiting on the packages to come in. If you've seen this at the other video, we had ordered the back tire for the XR. It came in, but it was the wrong size, so I'm gonna show you guys that too later on. And another thing too, we got this bike right here. Alrighty, also too, our buddy brought his bike back through. He wants to put the back tire on. This is the back tire right here. We also got the inner tube for it right here. See it? So we're gonna throw that on too in the vlog. Also, we got a surprise for you guys. We got another bike. We're not gonna show you yet. I'll wait till we get further into the video with that. But we do got a surprise for you guys. We're gonna check that out. All right, so this is the box of goodies. This is the back tire I was saying for the XR. It was too small. This one right here. I was gonna return it, but I'm gonna just keep it because I might need it for another bike. But that's that. Okay, then this is all the parts for this bike right here, the 450R. Got all the parts in for that. This right here is the shims. See right here? See shims? Right here? Okay, also, we got the crankshaft in too. It's a used crankshaft. I know we was gonna say we're gonna put a brand new crankshaft in there, but we just went ahead and got a used crankshaft. It was a pretty good thing. I'll show you guys right here. This is the used crankshaft. Voila. Right here. It operates pretty good. It's decent. Nothing wrong with it, so why not? It's a pretty decent crankshaft, but we're gonna try to throw that in today. If not, I know we're gonna at least break the bike down, get the engine off of the frame, and get to working on it. So we're gonna have that in the video too. It might be in the next video. Stay tuned for that. And yeah. Alright, let's see what else we got. Got piston rings. Right here, see. Got the piston rings. New battery. New battery. I don't know if I can see them. See real quick. Oh, we got these seals too. Gotta have seals. Another thing too, anytime you go back into our engine, break it loose or whatever, you want to make sure, I'm going to stress this, make sure you get new seals. You want to get new seals, new washers, whatever you can get new is possible because it helps keep all, of course, the leaking and all that down. So you want to keep that in mind. Okay, we got the starter clutch for it. It's in here somewhere in the box. See if I can find it. So many goodies, man. Alright, here you go right here. That's the starter clutch. Now the starter clutch, if you guys are wondering, the starter clutch is what turns the engine over from the starter. So it's like a converter. It keeps the engine running smoothly until you hit the starter. So it's like it works as a clutch. So that was going bad, so that's why it wasn't really hidden, like it'll slip. And it crank, slip, crank. So we got this right here, so we're gonna put that on there and see what it do. Alrighty, this to the side. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into putting the back tire on. So we're gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna set the camera up on the easel so you guys can see that. And yeah, I'm finna switch now. So we got the tire on, looks good, as you can see. Check it out. Boom. So we got that out the way. I'm thinking we might take the engine loose. What you think? You think we should take the engine loose or just wait till tomorrow?
I think we should take it loose.
Take it all loose and then just get the engine set up there. So, like I said, we're going to start this one right here. Take the engine off, get it ready and prep to take it all loose and crack the whole engine. And right now we're working on the chainsaw. Guys just dropped off the chainsaw. Look at that right there.
Yeah, right on over there.
Over there. Oh, my
Yeah.
bad.
There
Oh,
There's wonder, bro. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, got the plastics off. Bike right here. I'm gonna take the motor mounts off and pop it out. How we come so far? Every time you turn the wheel, it'll like it's it'll hit the gas more. That's one happy customer. One happy camper. Alrighty guys, so we got the engine off. We'll go over there cleaning it up. Using the old diesel foot. Alrighty guys, so it's been what, about an hour?
Yeah.
About an hour. Got the engine off. That's the bike over there. Point that way.
Yeah. All broke loose over here.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the engine off. We're gonna break it down. Well, we might crack it today, might not. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go as far as we can go in it and see if we can get the crankshaft in today. If not, we'll finish it up tomorrow. There'll probably be another video. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, gonna get into it.
Put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gonna lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gonna stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. I'm not doing this for the money, so don't misinterpret my last line. The weather ain't always been sunny, but I know that I'm gonna still shine. You never gon' make it till you got the power to go and develop a strong mind. Cause everything happens where you don't expect it, the journey ain't given a deadline. I'm going till I got a flat line, connecting with people like landline. I've been blowing up like a landmine, I put myself on like a combine. Knowing the way that they go and I'm ready for more, I don't wait on the sideline. I'm feeling like 2011 when Drizzy was dropping them hits like his headlines. I don't understand what I can't do, if I cut you off then I had to. I'm staying up late like it's fast food, the life of a rapper who in school. I don't wanna hear all the people who been trying to give me advice. If you haven't done it before, then don't give your opinion about what you think I should go do with my life. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy.
Alrighty guys, so we got the crankcase off, everything is tickled loose, pretty much so. All we gotta do is split the case, but this right here, that is what's bad. We got the new one right here. Let me see. That's the new one that's going on there. So yeah. That's going on right there. So we're gonna throw that on, split the case, and get back to it. What did he say? Yeah, okay guys, so we got the starter clutch off. It's right here. We're gonna wrap this up and finish it in the morning. Yeah, this is where we are so far. Got everything tickled loose. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the vlog for today. Be sure to like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. We're going to continue our process of taking the engine loose and putting a new crankshaft in. Also, well, we got like 20, 25 subscribers, so Our goal is to get at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can hit that subscribe button, smash it, boom, 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 hit it. Do what you gotta do what you guys do best, and let's try to get that 1,000 subscribers. Till next time, peace. Next time.